A shocking case has come to light from Odisha's Bodh district, where a serving police constable has been arrested on charges of ganja trafficking. The accused has been identified as Nidhi Sahu, a reserve constable posted at the Balsinga Reserve. Acting on a tip-off, police intercepted a motorcycle near Barkuda Chak and seized over 10 kilograms of ganja during a search operation. Officials said the constable was allegedly involved in transporting the contraband, despite being part of the force responsible for curbing illegal drug trade. A case has been registered and the accused has been produced before a court following his arrest. Superintendent of Police Rahul Goyal said strict action will be taken against anyone involved in the ganja trade, irrespective of their position. He warned that no one will be spared and urged those engaged in illegal activities to desist immediately. Police have intensified their crackdown on narcotics as part of efforts to make Bodh a ganja-free district. Surveillance has been strengthened and special drives are underway to dismantle illegal drug networks in the region.
Bodh रे गंजे विरुद्ध रे कड़ा कार्यानुष्ठान नेवा जिवो जेमति कि पूर्व भी कहुई आईटा ऑनरेबल डीजी भी स्ट्रिक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छी नशामुक्त भारत नशामुक्त ओडिशा आमर अच्छी नशामुक्त बौद्ध आउ से दिगरे आमे कौन से भी लोक को जी कि सिटीजनरी हो पुलिस हो आमे क्या छाड़ा ना गतकाली बौद्धर 151 नंबर केस डेटेड 29 तारीख में गोटे कॉन्स्टेबल 10 किलो गंजे सहित धरा पड़ते कोर्टे चालान कराई से छत्रपुर बौद्ध को आसते आते जिते बड़े गंजे नहीं जाते बघापड़ा पाखे पुलिस धरी।